The last part today is all about the glossary. The glossary can be found at the back of your nonfiction book. It's kind of like a mini dictionary that shows you the definitions of words you may not know in your book. So what you're going to do in this glossary is you get to find the word and then what it means. I gave you 3 words on each of your glossary pages. So I have laptop, a small computer you can put on your lap. Desktop, a large computer you can put on the desk. Keyboard, the buttons on a computer with letters and numbers. What you have to do is define one of the words that I give you at the bottom. So the word that I want you to tell me what it means is laptop. What is a laptop? Well, that shows you right up here in the glossary. I find the word laptop and I can see it means a small computer you can put on your lap. So what you're going to do is double click the question mark so it's blue, and all you have to do is copy this sentence and type it down here. You're just telling me the definition. So you would type a small computer you can put on your lap. And it looks just like the one I see up above, and that's all I have to do. There is some more for you to practice over here, and when you're done with this section, you can turn it in.